the pitaya fruit, commonly known as the dragon fruit. It originated from southern Mexico and Central America, but today this is grown in all over the world, especially in Asia. This fruit is among the most nutritious and exotic tropical fruits. Supposedly, this is packed with fibers and nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. It has been found to boost immunity, improve your digestive system. It prevents cancer and slow aging, and many other good things to your body. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to cut the dragon fruit, and I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious dragon fruit colada. So this is it. The dragon fruit flesh is got the white flesh. So some varieties have red color flesh. How can I describe this? It's got a very succulent texture, but not a whole lot of flavor, to be honest. I can compare this to a kiwi fruit, but this one has really a very mild sweetness. So let's cut this. All right. So this yellow dragon fruit has this white flesh. Um, you can see the seeds are evenly distributed. Mm. This one is much sweeter than this. This tastes much better. I definitely like this one, the yellow dragon fruit. We're gonna make dragon fruit colada. So we're going to make dragon fruit colada. So here I have a cup of dragon fruit. To make the colada, we need rum, cream of coconut, milk cream, pineapple juice, and simple syrup. All right, there you have it. Dragon fruit colada. It's delicious. Dragon fruit colada. Cheers.